So a quick how-to guide on how to clean the condenser / heat exchange unit on a Beko condenser dryer, and can be the same used on a Blomberg condenser dryer. So you'll locate the condenser at the bottom, and you have to open up this flap. Just simply pull there and flick it towards you. So here we've got a water tank, and we've also got our condenser unit here. So if we flick this one down and this one up, then you can pull this towards you. Next, we'll go and clean it. So we'll take it over to, you either want to use a garden hose or you want to use a shower. Right, so I've got my condenser unit up. We're going to put it in the bath. In the bath, we're going to get our shower. I'm just going to use the hot on this. Then we're going to go backwards. We're going to place it through the back of the condenser, working close forwards. Right, and also we're going to do the side here. Now if we look very closely, we've got a small build-up of foam that's been basically forced onto by the giant fan that cools it. So we're going to take our shower and we're going to go to the opposite side of where the fluff is built on, and we're going to run our shower head again through. Right, so I recommend you leave it to dry after doing that for around 12 hours before placing it back in. So just put it back in, we'll push it in. Make sure that tab is down low and that's up high, otherwise slightly out and it won't go in and struggle. Then push that down and pull that one up, give it a tug, and that's it. That is a how-to guide on how to clean the condenser on a Beko condenser tumble dryer. Thank you for watching this video to do your own at home. Thank you for watching.